Welcome to the Essential Guide on how to get your business found on Google without breaking the bank. How much money are you leaving on the table because you don't have a good website, Google business profile, or social media presence? We'll show you how to leverage Google's free tools to boost your online visibility. In today's digital world, if your business isn't online, it's virtually invisible. We're talking about getting found by potential customers actively searching for your services. For local businesses, Google is the ultimate starting point. Most people search for local services right here, making Google essential for driving foot traffic and online inquiries. While a domain name costs a small fee, it's your digital address. Choose something that gives your business, city, and state. Setting up a Google business profile is absolutely free and non-negotiable. It helps you appear in local search results and manage customer reviews, which builds trust. If you don't have a website yet, Google Sites offers a free, easy-to-use platform to create a professional online presence. It's a perfect starter site. Choose social media platforms where your target audience spends their time. Instagram for visuals, LinkedIn for B2B, or Facebook for broader community engagement. Keep it consistent. With a correctly set up domain name, Google Business Profile, and website, your location will appear in customer searches on Google Maps, driving essential customers directly to your website or to call you directly. By utilizing these free and low-cost Google tools, you can significantly boost your business's online presence and start driving growth today. Subscribe for the full tutorial at https://www.seospecialist.services/courses-tutorials.